Good morning, class 8. So, this lecture is very special because I am going to start new chapter, and this is a chapter related to your physics part, and I am continuing physics, stopping biology, and this is the new chapter of physics, or you can also say your science book, chapter 13. Okay, so let us focus on physics part. Chapter name is sound. Okay, chapter 13, sound. You hear sound of a various type around us every day. Obviously, you hear sound of bird, sound of dog, sound of human being, sound of cat. Some of them like a sound of thunder, loud. Others like the rustling of leaf are soft. Some sound like those of to whistle and shrill, while others such as beating of drum are dull. Okay, so you will hear lots of sound, guitar, tabla. You can also see the figure of your first representation. Okay, these all instruments also produce different sound. Okay, let us talk about more. Some sounds such as those produced by guitar are pleasant, while others such as sound produced by drilling machine are unpleasant. So some sound are pleasant and some sound are unpleasant. Okay, each sound has its own characteristics. It is because of this that we can recognize different sounds. Okay, sound help us to communicate. If I want to communicate with you through online classes, and whatever I am speaking throughout the classes, you will hear it. Whatever the sound producing by me, and you will hear it. So the communication between you and me is only possible due to sound. So we can say that sound help us to communicate. It is difficult to communicate with each other without talking. Obviously, several animals also communicate with each other through sounds. You may have noticed window panes rattling when there is loud thunder. This shows that the sound is a form of energy. How sound is produced? A major and important question to you, and that how sound is produced. Let us find out the answer of this question. To understand this, try this simple activity using a rubber band. Experiment. Tie one end of rubber band to a nail in a wall and pull the other end. Now plunk the rubber band at a point near its middle with your finger. Does it make a sound? Can you see the rubber band vibrate? Yes. The rubber band moves rapidly to and fro from its fixed position when plunked and produce sound. If you stop the movement with your finger, the sound also stop. The rapid to and fro movement of an object about a fixed position is called vibration, or we can also say that oscillation. Okay, oscillation. In the same way, the wire of a guitar also vibrate when you plunk them. The wires appear hazy while vibrating. Hang a frying pan from its handle using a string is convenient place so that it does not touch the wall. Strike it hard with a spoon so that a sound is emitted. You can see figure 13.2. If you want to produce sound, see this activity. This is the pan and this is the spoon. When you touch it, or when you strike it, then it produces sound. Striking a frying pan with a spoon produce a sound. It means right now we made a concept. When you strike on an object with something, then it produces sound. In a laboratory, a turning fork is used to produce sound for experiment. It has a handle of two prongs. When you see you will see in figure 13.3a, when one of the prongs is struck, both prongs vibrate, produce sound. When you see figure 13.3b, okay, if you touch the surface of water in a bowl with one of the vibrating prongs of the turning fork, you will see waves producing in water by the vibrating prongs. See, this is the wave generated by to and fro movement of this prongs. Sound is produced not only by vibration in a string, but also by vibrating in a stretched skin or membranes, as well as by vibrating in air column. In the tabla or drum, sound is produced when you strike the stretched skin. When you blow over the mouth of empty bottle, sound is produced due to vibration of air column in the bottle. Thus, sound is a form of energy that is produced when object vibrate. We made a concept that sound is a form of energy that neither be created nor be destroyed, that is produced when object vibrate. Okay, so for today it's enough. You need to read this chapter. Homework is read chapter 13 sound. From tomorrow, from next lecture, I will proceed this chapter, okay, with new topic, sound waves. Thank you.